Okay friends, let's go back to our math discussion that we started the other day. I want to share something very important. There's a wonderful book called All You Really Need to Know I Learned in Kindergarten. You know, we sometimes make our life so complicated without any reason. It is absolutely important to understand that to do a better job in life, we need to rely on our natural abilities. Remember I said your child was born genius. And to utilize that gift, it is important to go back to the very basic. And this is what I'm talking about. For example, for math, it is a need that we first make sure that the foundation is very solid. Foundation is really strong. Well, 4 operations. You know, when we talk about math, of course, it comes to our mind addition, subtraction, numbers, multiplication, division. And in a traditional way to talk about, it is of course, it can become boring. However, it can be wonderfully explained and wonderfully utilized if we go inside and to find the beauty of number sense. So when we talk about 4 operations, I emphasize on the fact in multiplication. Because multiplication is surrounded by addition, subtraction, division, all of that. And if you go further to higher math, you'll see that almost everywhere we are bound to use multiplication. Another things I want to share with you, that order of operations. You see how this is about the organization. It is about our life, how we do organize ourselves. If a student understand the order of operations, he or she can also understand how to make an order of life. For example, I'm just giving an example. If I write, say, let me see it here, 3 times x minus 5 divided by 3. See, the order of operation means, you see, from where we start. This is given. So there is multiplication, there is division. All we need to know, and we need to apply is to an order. What does it mean? For example, we teach our children to understand bad maths. So we start with bracket first. Then if there is an exponent, we use exponent, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. But what I mean by this, it is about the organization. It is about how to be disciplined. So math is also teaching us how to be disciplined, how to become beautiful in terms of organizing our life. Therefore I always say, math is the teachers of everything. Math is the language of understanding of the universe. Thank you.